Hi everyone, I'm Jo from Barefoot Coaching, and me and my wonderful team are going to be demoing our Barefoot coaching cards for children. Yes, you can use them as adults and they work blooming marvellously as a team. So we're going to use these as a way to check in with each other at the start of our team meeting to show you how you can use them.
So today we've got our favourite children's cards team for the check-in. And we've chosen two cards. You can answer whichever one you want. The first one is, if you could be an animal for the day, which animal would you be? And the other one is, if you could be friends from anyone from history, if you could be friends with anyone from history, who would you be friends with? Okay, so you can answer either of those. I'm going to start with Jo.
Okay, I'm going to the history question, and I would like to be friends with Emily Pankhurst.
No, I was going to say that.
Because she just represents everything I believe in terms of equality. And oh my goodness, I would love to have stood side by side with her with the sash and causing public havoc for the cause.
What she said. That's what I was going to say. Thank you, Jo. Emma G.
Morning. I'm going to go with the animal question. So I think for the day, I'd be quite happy being a dog. I can have the best of both worlds, curled up on the sofa, nice and cosy, having a bit of a cuddle, and then be outside and having a run about in the fields in the sunshine.
Lovely. Thanks, Emma. Emma B.
I would absolutely love to be a cat for the day, demanding food, just, wandering around, telling everyone I'm present all the time, going to sleep. Yeah, it would just be amazing because I'd have loads of slaves, human slaves. Yeah.
Love that, Emma. That was no surprise to any of us, really, the cat choice. I'm going to the other cat person in the team, Christine.
Yes, obviously I went with the animal card as well. And just like Emma, I would also be a cat because you just get to sleep all day, you get to eat what you want all day, you've got people looking after you. You get an easy life, really. You don't have to do anything. So I think it'd be nice to be a cat.
Thanks, Chris. Alex?
Okay, so I think I'd like today to be a bird because I could be up there in the sky. I'd have freedom that possibly I don't currently have today. And I'm a huge, huge fan of an aerial view of something. So for me, I think I'd particularly enjoy that.
Thanks, Alex. That was lovely. When you said that, I almost sort of felt like I was soaring above the planet then and looking down. Thank you. Liv?
I absolutely love these children's cards. Any opportunity to delve into my inner child, I'm there. I've gone with the animal question, and similar to you, Alex, I would also be a bird, but I'd be a seagull, actually, just so I can spend all day at the beach and nick people's chips, and that would do me fine.
Fantastic. Thank you. Ted?
So I was thinking about this one about famous people for a while because I thought there's got to be somebody, really kind of who's influential on me and all this kind of stuff. But actually, I'm immediately 7 and it's Henry VIII. So I was obsessed with knights and the Tudors when I was a kid. And also, I just can't get my head around somebody that's got that big an ego that can just wander around making decisions about people, having these massive feasts and stuff. So I think I just find it fascinating. I'd be a tiny little kid looking at the moat, looking at the castles. I'd love it.
Lovely, thank you. So if I can't be Emelina Pankhurst today, I think I would like to meet Charles Dickens because I have a real fascination for social history, particularly the history of the working classes and specifically the history of the working classes in London. And he observed and wrote about that so beautifully. I would love to sort of follow him round the dark alleys of the East End and see what life was like then. Thanks, guys. That was really nice. Great insights into all of you. Thank you.